Hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So if you love shopping videos, DIY, room makeover, organization, cleaning videos, you get it all here. First thing I'll do is share a gift list for you. So just giving you some gift ideas that you can purchase for your loved one. Now the first gift idea that I have to share is this diffuser. It is a light up diffuser that you can use with your favorite essential oil. I shared it on my AliExpress shopping video, the 11th of the 11th sale. A diffuser is a great gift that anyone will love. I always say a nice clean home have to smell good, and diffuser is a great gift that you can purchase for someone, especially if they are just moving into their new place. It's a great housewarming gift that you can get them. So topping up with the diffuser, the next item that you can purchase is an essential oil set. So you can purchase like their favorite essential oils or just some random essential oils like the eucalyptus, the grapefruit, the orange, the lavender, the tea tree oil. There are so many flavors out there that you can purchase as essential oil. Now as I say, coupled with this diffuser, it would be a great gift since it also acts as a night light that you can plug in and get that nice color. It also has different modes of color that you can get from it. You can purchase it from Amazon or you can also purchase it from AliExpress. Wherever you wish to purchase, that's up to you, but I'll try and link them down in the description so you can always shop easy. Another item that you can purchase that is on my list is lens mug. So if you're a person or know someone that loves photography, videography, they have YouTube, they love vlogging, and so this camera mug would be perfect for them. So it's a mug that's shaped like a camera lens. It would be a great gift for someone who is into those type of stuff. And adding to the camera mug, coffee mug warmer or a mug warmer would be a great gift as well for someone that works from home, that always around their decks or their computer and just don't want to get up every minute to be warming up coffee. That would be a great gift as well. And since I'm into that, the beverages, a set of coaster would be a great gift that you can purchase for your favorite person. So coasters are great to have around the home. You can have it at your bedside table, you can have it at on your coffee table, your dining table, so they don't leave any watermarks. So a coaster would be a great gift that you can purchase for someone that you know would love those stuff. Different from the lens mug, you can also purchase those clear glass mug or those coffee glass that can use as cold beverages. Those would be great gifts. So anything in the mug section for tea lovers, coffee lovers, those are a great gift. Another home item that you can purchase for someone is a wine wall mounted rack. They have so many types out there. There's this one that you can use that have the home on it. So for those persons that love to collect wine and other type of alcoholic beverages like that, you can always purchase that for them. They can have it at a section where there's have like their bar cart and other stuff. So that's a great gift that you can purchase for someone. Since I mentioned essential oils earlier, candles are a great gift that you can purchase. Persons won't get tired of candles, especially some nice smelling candles. Now it's the Christmas season, you can purchase those Christmas candles that give you that Christmas vibes, that have the cinnamon in it and other Christmas flavors and spices. So trying to purchase a nice candle for someone that you love, that's a great gift. Candles, you can never go wrong. Another gift that you can purchase for your loved one is a massager. So they have the neck massager, they have the back massager, they have those handle massager that you can massage your foot. Those are great gifts that you can purchase as well. Anything that is relaxing, a nice cozy day after a long walk or so, that person can use it and they will always remember you every time they are using that massager. Now a lot of persons are not aware of this, but this is a simple gift that you can purchase. So you know, sometimes you have those appliance cards, like the appliance cards lying around. Now they have these attached thing. I'll put a picture here that you can put on the appliance and then they can wrap the card around it to hide those cards, because you know sometimes the cards and so give that clutter look and make the place look very crowded and untidy. And those card wrappers that I'll put the picture right here, you can see that is a great gift that you can purchase for someone. Another gift in the kitchen is like a nice knife set. So they have these colored pattern knife set, they have the plain black knife set. Just get a nice knife set, and if you can pair it with a cutting board, that would be lovely as well. So a cutting board is our next gift that you can purchase. Now this one is a bit pricey, but one of those robot vacuum you can purchase for someone that loves to clean and always maybe don't have the time on their hands, so they can leave it there to vacuum their home. It's a bit pricey, but if it's in your budget and you know someone that would love a gift like this, you can go ahead and purchase this vacuum for them. Another item that you can purchase are those smart LED bulbs. They come in different colors as well. These are great because you can use them with your phone just to turn off or turn on instead of getting up to turn off the light, and you can also get different colors from it. Since I mentioned smart bulbs, smart plugs are another gift that you can purchase for someone. Now is the Christmas time, you'll see a lot of person using this with their Christmas tree. So if they're out, they can turn on the Christmas tree before they get home, or turn on other lights in the home before they get home based on where they use those smart plugs. So smart plugs are great gifts that you can purchase for someone. Now a Cricut machine is a gift that anyone will love. This is a great gift that they can use to start a business with. They can use it to do their home stuff. I would love a gift just like that I can do my DIY stuff. So Cricut is another gift that you can purchase. Another gift that you can purchase is those portable phone printers. I think it's coming like the Canon Ivy. Those are great gifts. So you know you have persons that love to take photo, they can always print it same time, or just to have photos around instead of just having everything digital. Another gift, and I always mention this as a gift in most of my videos that I share gift ideas, whether for Mother's Day, birthday, anniversary. Air fryer is a gift that you can purchase for someone. If they don't have an air fryer is an easy way to prepare your favorite meals. So you come home and have some seasoned chicken, it's just easy to throw it in the air fryer. It do your fries good, and it's very healthy because you use less oil. So try to purchase an air fryer for someone that you know that will love it, and they will love you for that. And since I mentioned air fryer, there are some cookbooks as well that you can purchase to go with the air fryer, or if you know someone that have the air fryer, you can purchase some cookbooks, the air fryer cookbooks, as some gift for them as well. And since I'm in the kitchen, great gift to purchase as well, and this is one of my favorite gifts, is egg cooker. I always say if you're a person that loves egg, always on the go, or have children to get ready in the morning and cannot bother to boil an egg, or you don't like when the egg is too soft or it's too hard, an egg cooker is a great gift that you can purchase for someone or yourself that love egg. You can also purchase a nice blanket, one of those nice soft cozy blanket for someone. Blanket is something that cannot get out of style. People always want to feel cozy, especially when they're relaxing and watching some movie. Especially in the winter season now, persons want to feel warm and cozy. So get someone a nice blanket that you can purchase. Another gift that you can purchase for a loved one is some organizing trays. So you have the fridge organizers, you have the drawer organizers, the utensil organizers, the closet organizers. There are so many different organizers out there. They have the home edit pieces. Those are great gifts that you can purchase for someone that loves to have an organized space, or also someone that is not organized that you think would make good use of them. So buy some organizing trays for some persons that you love, and they will appreciate you for it. So these are just a few gift ideas that I had to share. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. I will have another video coming tomorrow for Vlogmas. I hope you enjoy. See you tomorrow.